Hi guys, a while ago I bought this JLab 12 Pro microphone um, to use it while I edit or do any kind of audio recordings, and I think that it's really nice because it has some really nice functions that I think that can help you whatever kind of recording that you need a microphone for, which I think that it's really nice. You can connect it with a Type C port that comes in the base of the microphone upon your computer with a USB Type C to Type A cable that comes included, which I think that it's really nice. And what I like about this microphone is that you can select the way that it records directional sound, which I think that it's really nice. You have different modes that will light up in here, and we can select the volume and gain level in these knobs right here. As you can see, we can see the blue one for the volume and the green one for the gain control, which I think that it's really nice. You can adjust the stand to be however you like it. I think that it's a really convenient microphone to have if you want to do a podcast, some game recordings, or everything. And in the front side of the microphone, we have the toggle recording setting, the LED that shows us the proper recording settings, the volume and gain interface, and the button of mute from on and off. On the different recording settings, we have Cardioid for recording front, Omnidirectional for all the surroundings, stereo direction for right and left channel, and bidirectional for recording on front and back side channel, which I think that it's really nice, covering all your needs for records, and we can toggle the mute on and off really easy, which I think that it's great. As I've said, in the back of the microphone we have both the knobs to control the proper gain and volume of our microphone recording, which I think that it's really nice. That way we can set it up easily. In the bottom side we have a 5/8 inch threaded mount for your set with any kind of stand. We can have the LED controls, the USB Type-C input, and a 3mm jack audio output so we can connect our headphones to it, which I think that it's nice. And overall, I think that it's really nice and I will really recommend it. See you guys.